Most people don't fail because they're weak. They fail because they stop too soon. You want to change your life? Then listen carefully, because these 10 secrets can turn your entire story around. Secret 1. Stop waiting for the right time. There's no perfect moment coming. Every second you wait is a second you lose. Start now, even if it's messy. Secret 2. Small habits shape big futures. It's not what you do once, it's what you do every single day. Drink water. Read a page. Take one small step. The little things build empires. Secret 3. Guard your energy. Not everyone deserves access to you. Protect your peace like it's your most valuable treasure, because it is. Secret 4. Failure isn't your enemy. It's your teacher. Every setback whispers, try again, but smarter. Listen to it. Secret 5. Patience is your superpower. The world tells you to rush, but growth takes time. Don't give up because it's slow. Slow progress is still progress. Secret 6. Feed your mind. What you watch, read, and hear becomes who you are. Starve your doubts. Feed your dreams. Secret 7. Stop comparing. Someone's highlight reel isn't your reality. You're on your own path. Stay focused. Stay patient. Stay real. Secret 8. Motivation fades. Discipline stays. Don't chase the feeling. Build the habit. Show up, even when no one's watching. Secret 9. Choose your circle wisely. If they don't inspire you, they'll drain you. Energy is contagious. Make sure you're catching the right one. Secret 10. Believe